There we go, 2 Brits tried cheesecake for the first time. Sorry, no, Cheesecake Factory for the first time. The Mall of Millenia, which is like the shopping centre for those who've been shopping in England. And then we'll see how long the wait is. They do cheesecake here and other foods. So let's go. $17 for a slice of cheesecake apparently. We got this to 17. Stephanie informed me that's the page number, not the price of the cheesecake. Cheesecakes, there's this many cheesecakes.
Not as good as the ones in Disney, but it's
actually cold. Well, I'm actually impressed with that.
Trying my best.
Hello, we're Stephanie and Michael, and this is our first time visiting the Cheesecake Factory. This is the Mall of Millenia, and here's our quick, honest review. We've just been for a run at a brewery called Homestay. That's why Stephanie looks so wonderful.
Yeah, it's a 45-minute run.
Here we go, Cheesecake Factory. We've been wanting to eat here for a while, haven't we? It's one of those on the list. So if you're into like your books like Lord of the Rings and like J.K. Rowling, like these menus are just the same difference. It's like a novel. There's like 100 pages of things to read basically. So.
I don't know where you were going with that.
Massive menus. Oh my god. Everything under the sun. So far so good. We've sat down and we've had drinks within 2-3 minutes.
Massive.
Yeah, some as big as your head. We're just toying with what to order. We're going to get the Cheeseburger Spring Rolls. Steph wants the fettuccine, and I'm not too sure on what I'm going to have. I'm still looking, and we'll report back. We're at truffle honey chicken with mashed potatoes and asparagus. And we're now reading the cheesecakes. There's this many cheesecakes. Oh wow, cool, nice one. So we're getting bread and butter, yay! Tiramisu cheesecake, you say?
Yeah.
Coconut cream pie, cheesecake.
The coconut cream pie sounds nice.
Tiramisu.
Strawberry sounds nice.
What you do was you pick 4 of them and get her to pick what 4 is and surprises. Because I don't know what to do. Does anyone do that? You have like 3 or 4 things you want, so you tell the waiter to give you what you want, basically.
Cheeseburger Spring Rolls.
Okay, sure.
And then the Fettuccine Alfredo.
Do you want any meat in that? We have chicken, salmon.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, sure.
And then you want the truffle
honey chicken, please.
Chicken that comes with asparagus and mashed potatoes.
Yeah.
Okay,
yeah. And then I'm going to keep this because we've got a decision to make with the cheesecake. So.
Anything you recommend for cheesecake?
There's so many good ones. The Oreo Dream Extreme, fresh strawberry, and red velvet are top selling. My favorite, I like Oreo, Snickers, salted caramel. There's so many good ones.
Yeah.
Nice one.
Right, so I'm thinking of the 4. We've got coconut pie.
Yeah.
Toasted marshmallow s'more,
That sounds good.
banana, and tiramisu. And they're all. I'm talking the tiramisu would be good.
Yeah.
Because it says it's our wonderful cheesecake and tiramisu combined.
Got a beer as well, IPA. That's quite nice on camera. It's okay as well. Bread as well, with some butter. Tastes like bread and butter. Those sort of things then, the reason to give you bread. Because it makes you... Yeah, I do as well. Like, it doesn't make me eat more at all.
It made me significantly less.
Like a real French baguette. Yeah. So on this trip, we wrote down something like the big change of not eating that before and wanting to repeat like Olive Garden we've done already. We've got Outback Steakhouse we want to do. This is on the list. What else was there?
The Denny's we've done before.
Yeah.
Chicken guy.
Yeah.
Can I get the list up? IHOP, which to be fair we're not that bothered about, but it's on the list. Cheesecake Factory at Olive Garden, Outback Steakhouse, Denny's, Polite Pig, which is not a chain but just was on the list. Chicken guy. That was it? Yeah.
So all our 74 subscribers, what are we missing? 73 I think actually. Embellish a little bit there, I'm so sorry. This is a massive step. We've seen that table next to it. Stop eating the bread. It looks like it's, you know, the ride at Universal.
Yeah,
the Greek one.
Yeah.
Poseidon's Fury.
Yeah.
It's called.
Well, I don't know what the. Yeah.
Well, it looks like that. Did you think it was going to, I thought it was going to be more like a TDI Friday sort of kind of place.
Is that just because of where we are though? Because we're in this like mall. It's like the traffic centre's a bit like this, isn't it?
Yeah, maybe. I mean, what's the theme?
Greek mythology would appear. Or, no, it's like Egyptian.
And cheesecake. Like Roman. Yeah. Glamorous. There you go. It's like you.
In my hoodie, well, my fleece, and in my sweaty running stuff.
So we've got Cheeseburger Spring Rolls. $15.95. Look pretty good. What was the sauce do we know?
They were $12.95.
Is it? Okay. We'll confirm afterwards. Go on.
I don't know what the sauces are, so this looks like a cheese sauce. Yeah, that's like a cheese sauce. They're nice. Not as good as the ones in Disney, but they are.
Oh no, okay. Let's have a go. There you go. So I'm going to focus, as always, on the Big Mac sauce. Yeah, they're okay, aren't they?
Yeah, they're not like...
Yeah. Really like pickles in them, don't they? Marks out of 10 for the Cheeseburger Spring Rolls.
7.
7, really?
I like. What would you give?
5. I like a bit of acidity with my cheeseburger.
Like a 9. That's...
Yeah, compared to the Disney ones, yeah.
You just need pickles.
If I think of a cheeseburger, I think of pickles, and that's what you need is pickles. So, we've just asked if Steph wants Parmesan cheese. That's the
It's water wet.
That's the Alfredo. This is the honey truffle chicken. It's really nice. Big portions.
Good.
Nice. Good. It's good. Good. Is it like going in there, or is it like... No, it's not. Feels nice. Have you got the mash? Mash is cold. Yeah. Chicken's nice. Got that. Yeah. Mash is cold though. That's strange. Yeah. Ready for a 5k run. That's really good, that is. Nice one. Wow. Well, actually impressed with that. That's like my spoon. My spoon's falling over. I'm so sorry. Yeah, I love that. That'll be a good piece of that when we make it. This is Stephanie's full face. We're halfway in now.
Trying my best.
It's really good though.
Really good.
Yeah, really good. Not just good.
It's been upgraded from good to really good.
Yeah.
It's not very good.
Should have skipped the cheeseburger thing roll and just got mains, basically.
I like cheeseburgers.
It was good, yeah, but I think like we don't need the thing. My mash is cold, but it's still tasty. The asparagus is nice, and the fried chicken's really good. So this is we shall return.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah. And then we're going to pay $17 for a slice of cheesecake, apparently, according to my maths, anyway. Because the when you look on the booklet at the bottom, where is it? It's just can't even find the cheesecakes now.
See in the back. There you go.
Yeah, so you got the menu there, and then at the bottom says 17. But that Stephanie informed me that's the page number, not the price of the cheesecake. So, oh god, still no idea how much the cheesecake is. And that Tiramisu Cheesecake. There she goes. Good.
Very good.
Very good. I feel overfaced by looking at it.
It tastes like tiramisu and cheesecake combined.
Does it? Look at that, eh?
Funny that.
Yeah. Can't eat a whole one though. Like 2 bites and done, I think. There's $17 as well, is it? Well, Steph. It should be like when you do the dining party in April. I'd have one starter, one dessert and two mains every meal. It's going to be horrible, isn't it? So is that $103 with tip?
$106.
£86 for two mains, one dessert, one starter, a Coke and a drink. That's expensive.
But good.
Yeah. So I'm not going to rush back, knowing that I can get like a meal at Disney for the same price, basically, like in the restaurants. But yeah, give that a 7 out of 10. Can you even hear me in this wind? If not,
Which I think for a chain is pretty good going. I'd say it's one of the best chain restaurants in it.
yeah, good service. The waitress was really nice. It was really quick, attentive. We didn't need ask for anything at all. Like, it was just very easy. So we've definitely got a good system, rhythm, whatever you want to call it, going there.
In comparison.
Yeah, you can tell Olive Garden's like Aldi. That's like M&S.
Olive Garden is like more than half the price.
Exactly, yeah. So
Get what you pay for.
that was a nice little treat. Yeah, that was Cheesecake Factory video. Hope you really enjoyed that one. Now I'm going to drive back to Surfside and go sleep. Goodbye.